Hi, I'm Rosina and I am a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work the bobble sections. The Knitcraft Mixtape Medley CAL is an 8-week crochet along to help you explore new stitches, try new colour combinations and have fun along the way. The blanket is great for a beginner who wants to build on their skills or for a more advanced crocheter who loves exploring new stitches and colour combinations. If you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos. For the bobble stitch, the bobbles are worked on the wrong side of the blanket. Join the contrast yarn. Chain 1 and work double crochets. The bobble stitch is like starting lots of trebles together, all in the same stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2. There are now 3 loops on the hook. Working into the same stitch, repeat the process until there are 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Then double crochet into the next stitch. This makes everything fold in on itself and turn into a bobble. For more techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.